Hello guys, I have a secret to share with you. No one is telling you about. This method will make your website grow fast using OpenSignal. I have 1000 subscribers. Every time I make a new post in my blog, it will be sent automatically as a notification to all my subscribers. Let's set up this on our blog. Please subscribe to my channel if you find this information useful. Go to plugins, install a new plugins, add the new. Note, if the website does not open for you, you will need to use the VPN. Search for OneSignal, install it, and activate. Now go to OneSignal settings. Go to the configuration tab. Copy your website link. Go to the OneSignal website. Add a new website. Give a name. Shows web. Click next to config. Shows WordPress. Shows your platform. Now fill up your informations. You can use an icon. Click Save. Copy the app ID. Put it in the plugin settings. Copy the API key and paste it. Scroll down for more settings. Click Save. Now go back to OpenSignal. Click Finish. Let's check our work. As you see, notification appear and ask me to subscribe. If I click Allow, I will receive notifications from this website. Let's try post. This is welcome notification. You can modify it in the settings. As you see, I received the notification immediately after I published my post. You can also send notification directly from OpenSignal. Just fill up the information. The notification will be sent automatically to your subscribers. Thank you for watching, and subscribe if you find this information useful.